Unit 7 Functions Test Reviews, number 16 through 19. Number 16 is 4x plus 1 plus 9 equals 69. We have to isolate the exponential. The exponential is a number raised to an exponent. So in this case, we're going to isolate 4 raised to the x plus 1. To do this, the first thing we do is take what's attached to it away. So we're going to minus 9. 4 raised to the x plus 1 equals 60. Now that I have one exponential, and I can't change the bases to be the same, I'm going to convert it to logarithm. So therefore, I'm going to start at the base, log base 4 of 60 equals x plus 1. Log base 4 of 60 you can put into your calculator, and you get 2.95 equals x plus 1. Last step, or minus 1, and so x equals 1.95. For number 17, we have 5 to the 3 minus r equals 25. Now we could convert this into logs, but you'll notice that if 5 is your base, we could change 25 into 5 squared. So the left side stays the same because it's already 5. It's as small as it's going to go. And 25 is actually 5 squared. And since I now have the same base, that means that the exponents are equal to each other. So 3 minus r equals 2. Subtract 3. Negative r equals negative 1. Divide by negative, and r equals 1.